Okay, so no rate hike. Like I said, they're not going to do the right thing. They are wedded to a failed economic orthodoxy, all of these central banks. So everything played out exactly as I said. We got a pop in the stock market, we got a pop in gold. The dollar went down a little bit. We sold out of our stock position, bought some SDS. We sold out of our gold position at a profit. We are buying the dollar now because this is deflationary. You can basically short the stock market right now. This is going down. You could short gold. Gold is going down. Okay. What else? Dollar's going to rally. Probably this sell off in the dollar yen today, that's going to turn around because even though what the Bank of Japan did was deflationary, the Fed now, in not going ahead with this, because it's not going to do a rate hike now. That is done for the year, even though it is saying in December that it's on the table right now with the fiscal flows slowing down, with the prospect of 2017 budget looking like a little bit even weaker spending growth, and with this deflationary monetary policy here in Japan, everywhere, I wouldn't be surprised by the end of the year, by December, they're talking about rate cuts again. So, which means, unfortunate, if you got the TBT position, if you have a profit on that, I would take that profit. If you don't have a profit, we got to work on that position and manage our way out of that position. The Fed has failed us. Okay? Central banks are failing us. Fiscal authorities are failing us. You know, we tried. You had almost 5 trillion of spending this year. You had a lot of economic headwinds. It's just you needed more. You needed more. And they just don't get it. They just don't get it. Janet Yellen and this Fed has zero mental game. Zero mental game. By the way, crude, it's going down. I mean, maybe if we get some rally going into the next week with that OPEC gathering in Algeria, but that would be a rally to sell. Sorry to say it, folks, but and this is not going to be a collapse by any means. A down stock market is a temporary thing, okay? Stock markets rise over time, so the way to look at this, and we have stock positions on, the way to look at this is we're going to have a buying opportunity, but I'm just laying out the landscape for you now for, the next few months at least. I would say until the election, not the election, until probably next February, March. I mean, we're going to have a new president. We're going to have new policies, maybe, and we'll have to see what those policies are. I mean, they very well could be highly stimulative. I mean, if it's Trump, he's talking about, rebuilding the infrastructure and all kinds of spending programs, and Hillary has kind of taken up on some of the Bernie Sanders stuff. Whether she follows through on that, I don't know. We'll see. That's the beauty of this game, is that, and I always say this, they tell you what they're going to do. This is not a hard game at all if you understand how things are affected by policy. And, the zombies don't. And remember, when I say zombies, that means the 100%. So it's easy for us. Everything I said today happened. I had a subscriber who emailed me, said, Mike, I just made 3 years worth of subscription fees on my gold trade. He got out right at the highs. So that's $3,600. Not bad. All right, so that's it. Everything happened according to how I said it. Stocks are going to go down, dollar's going to go up, gold is going to go down, oil's going to go down, commodities are going to go down, treasuries are going to go up. The whole entire rate hike thing now that's off the table. I don't care what the Fed says. And now we got to sit back and look at the fiscal flows again. Maybe they'll pop up. I don't know. Maybe in the beginning of October, whatever the new spending agreement is, we'll see. That's the beauty. We see the numbers. I see the numbers every single day. So it's not like we're waiting around. I see the numbers every single day. We'll know. Everyone got this wrong. I'm the only one that got it right. And my people made money. Bye.